Welcome to 4A's class showcase. We hope you enjoy it. On our WOW Day, we got to dress up like Romans and had a chance to do lots of activities. My favourite part was when we got to go to break and play with our fun swords.
I really enjoyed making the coins out of clay, and I thought that it was really fun as we got to carve it and paint it.
When we met the visitor who was dressed like a soldier, we got to learn more facts about Romans and what they did. We found out that Romans were very clever and they invented bridges, spas, roads and schools.
We looked at the artist Hokusai and we was inspired by his blueprint. Using the LINO cutters was fun because it was nice to make different shapes and it was different to just drawing.
We used a roller and dipped it into ink and began rolling onto our LINO art. We pressed it into our books and it made an amazing design.
I liked how we could control the thickness of lines using the cutters. It was a challenge and it made me appreciate how long it might have taken Hokusai to make just one of his works of art.
I really enjoyed when the National Portrait Gallery came and we got to make some awesome art.
I really liked looking at all the art they showed us, especially Queen Elizabeth I. Also, drawing my friend Alfie, who was posed like a gentleman, was really fun.
I love drawing my partner and drawing Mr. Judge, and when we do Cheval d'Ainaut, I learned how to draw noses that are from side profile a lot better.
I liked doing the experiment because it was fun to learn more about the digestive system.
It was really fun excreting the stool as you could physically see how the digestive system works in real life.
It was really fun watching how it all came out at the end.
It was very fun planting the trees. We had to use bamboo to help them grow straight and we needed to think carefully about where to plant them as we couldn't be too close together.
My job was to be an eco-counsellor and I really enjoyed it. This job was to help plants around the world and having ideas of how to save the plants and environment.
When I got to BUSHCRAFT, I felt excited. I was looking forward to the experience. There was a challenge when I arrived to see who could start the biggest fire and burn a really strong rope. I managed to start the fire with flint, steel and cotton wool.
I really
really enjoyed sleeping in the tent because you don't have to sleep alone. You can sleep with your friends. I also enjoyed making burgers, even though it was very, very hot, but they still taste so good.
Challenged myself to eat a fish eye at Bushcraft and it was delicious. I actually really enjoyed it.
I really enjoyed bushcraft. Sleeping in a tent with people from different classes helped me to make friends with other people. It was a great opportunity for having some time to act, trying out different foods and having fun in the forest. I really recommend it to anyone.
My favourite part was staying in the tent, but I also enjoyed making the pizza and then eating it around the fire.
I really enjoyed experimenting with the components and making different types of circuits with my partner. We came across some issues, but we worked together to find out the source of the problem in the circuit, which ended up being the wires that stopped the buzzer from working.
My favourite part was when we got to use the motors and make the circuits bigger and more complicated. We added 2 switches that we discovered only works when we pressed both, as it would keep the circuit complete. We also learnt how the circuits look when they are incomplete, which meant that the motor of light bulb wouldn't switch on. My group made a really big circuit, and to make that, we worked as a team and encouraged each other to try our best. We really enjoyed using the bee-bots and it was a good experience. It required a lot of teamwork. We had to take it in turns because some of the maps were quite tricky, but in the end we managed to do it because we were working together. We spent lots of time designing our map as well and it was really fun. Thank you for watching and listening. These have been a few snippets of our Year 4 memories. We hope you have a good summer.